Hello squad, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Gigi. If you're new here, I hope you clicked on this channel because you liked the nails, because that's what we're going to do today, and that's what we do every day, nails. And sometimes we get a little bit silly. So today I'm going to be mixing up some color because I don't have exactly what I need for this set. Lizzo was on Hot Ones this week. If you know that show, it's on YouTube. And they eat hot wings and interview somebody, and there's 10 wings and they just get hotter and hotter and hotter. We have some of those sauces here at the house. Let me tell you, those last 3 sauces are they're no joke. There's one of the 3 that I won't even try because I know it's just gonna make me mad. It's the bomb or Da Bomb Beyond Insanity sauce. No, I will not try that, no. But I have tried the other 2 last dabs, and wow, the last dabs are no joke, you guys. So I've mixed up this color using some of those Degada nail powders, and I used a tiniest bit of the pink, one of the pink chromes from the Saviland collection. And I'm just painting these nails, and I'm gonna do 2 coats on both of them, all 5 of them. And then do a matte top coat. Now I'm taking the most unnecessary step of the entire set, but I wanted to add something a little extra. I don't think it really reads at the end, so it was really not necessary to do this, but I'm doing a little black French at the bottom, and then I'm gonna chrome it in the pink chrome that we used to mix in. And because it's the same chrome, it's so similar. It does read with your eyeballs. Like when you're looking at them with your eyeballs, if you really pay attention to them, you're like, oh, that's a little chrome right there. So it's cute. I'm not saying it's not cute, it is. But on camera, it doesn't read as well as you might want it to. So I feel like we could have just skipped that step and just done the animal print, which is Cheetah in this case, because Cheetah is super easy. It's just the little C's and U's pretty much is the shape that you're making. And I think it's very cute and effective. Although when I was looking at the prints, Jaguar print is very interesting. So I might try to perfect some of that, and I feel like maybe a dotting tool might even be the way to go. We'll see. I do love doing some animal print, excuse me. Oh my goodness, words coming out of my mouth. I can make it happen. So we're gonna do a couple nails of the animal print here, just making it look super cute. Lizzo was so adorable on Hot Ones. She did a wonderful job. She ate all of her vegan wings because they'll cook whatever, they'll get whatever food to put on hot sauce that you want to eat, right? If you're vegan, they do vegan. If you don't like wings and you like tenders like me, I like chicken fingers or tenders, whatever you want to call them, not nuggets. No, breast meat, thank you. So whatever it is you like, they will put hot sauce on that, and Sean will eat it with you. If you've not watched Hot Ones, I'm gonna bet somebody you like has been on that show, so go check it out. They don't need a shout out from me. I'm just, as your friend here, Gigi is recommending this show because it's really good. Speaking of shows that are really good, as I continue to do these cute little C's and U's, and little dots. I like little dots in there too. Have you guys watched that show Evil? There's 3 seasons. They're in toward the end of the 3rd season right now. It's on, I'm watching it on Paramount Plus, so I don't know what channel that equates to, like maybe CBS or something. But although it seems kind of crazy for a network television show, so it might just be a streaming show, I don't know. Oh my God, that show is so good. It's also really weird and quirky, right? Which is right up my alley. I had an idea in my head of what to equate it to, but I'm just not going to say it because not everyone likes this, and I wouldn't want to say it to put you off the show. Boom. But it is sort of a horror show, but sort of a drama show. But it's just fun. It's a very fun show. It's a little tongue-in-cheek, but also a little serious here and there. And I just find it to be super fun and super interesting. And every week I can't wait till the next episode comes out. Another show like that was that show Physical on Apple TV. That show is really good. There's only 2 seasons of that. I'm really hoping there's going to be a third. I can't imagine they'd leave us where they're at without giving us a third. But if you're looking for any shows to watch, there's 2 recommendations for you. I really found them to be, both of those shows to be awesome. So back to the nails. Lizzo's nails on the show, Hot Ones, back to that, were so pretty. I think her shade of pink was a little bit lighter than this. And her nails did not have a little French at the bottom. And I'm going to add some gems because I bought that big old box of gems and I'm going to use every single one of them up on this channel. So I put some gems on here because we're going to gem it. Okay, that's just how we're going to do it. We are putting down right now a base coat, and I'm going to put the gems in the base coat, and then we're going to top coat them as well because this set's a little lumpy bumpy. And we want to, not a lot lumpy bumpy, but just enough that I want to give it a smoothing layer. And that way we can use that base coat as the place we put the gems. And those are the gems we're going to use. I did want to mention, when I did the haul, I bought some base and top coat that I didn't show on camera. Both of the base coats have very short brushes. They're just as fat as the other brushes, but they're, I don't know, like 2/3 the length maybe. It's not quite half, that's for sure. I want to say 2/3. I'm confused by that. I don't understand why you would do that. You want the base coat to go on just as smooth as any other coat that you're doing because it's the base, right? So, and it wasn't that the base coat gel itself was perfectly self-leveling. It was fine, so it ended up being fine, but I feel like it's gonna take me a second to get used to a brush like that. Did you see me drop that gem on that nail? How funny was that? Were you like, girl, I've done that a million times? Or were you like, girl, professional it up, pro it up? So that was kind of my response, but I have done that several times. Those blue gems in that little kit, we need to use those soon. I really like them. I also bought some gems from a different place, and I got a whole bunch of them of like 5 different colors. So we're gonna play with those as well. And I was thinking maybe I'd put together a couple little gem kits and maybe do a little giveaway. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe. Because it will be a subscriber giveaway, and my goal right now is 500 subscribers. Guys, let's get me to 500 subscribers before the end of this year. I really want that to happen. And thank you for watching this video, for clicking subscribe, for clicking like, for leaving me a comment, and just for being awesome. We're gonna see you for another set on Thursday, which is already done, and I can't wait to show you. See you then. Bye-bye.